Congress has demanded resignation of Railway Minister Piyush Goyal after the death of 81 migrants in Shramik special trains. The Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi said the Railway Minister should be ashamed of himself and he should resign, or the Prime Minister should remove him.
This is a very serious point on which we need to pin down the government. And I am saying that with the kind of clear contradictions, prevarications, how is it possible that the Railway Minister will not resign or be removed?
He said that the government has provided official information about the death of 81 people in Shramik special trains, although Congress fears that the number is much more than this.
It is admitted that at least 81 deaths have happened, and there are allegations that more deaths have happened but they are not being recorded as COVID deaths. Now, like this, 81 is the figure, although we suspect that the figure is much higher. But what is worrying is that an analysis which has been published by the newspapers also.
Congress accused the government and BJP of putting false facts before the country on Shramik special trains, asking that the Railway Minister Piyush Goyal should resign. Congress has been raising concerns of migrants just after the lockdown was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 25th. Congress President Sonia Gandhi had also announced that the party will pay for migrants' train fare after the railway started charging the migrants for the travel. Party spokesperson Abhishek Manu Singhvi also claimed that migrant workers were treated brutally by the government.
देश में हो रहा है हाहाकार कि मोदी सरकार जुल्म बंद करो, मजदूरों पे बंद करो जुल्म। मोदी सरकार करके बड़े बड़े वायदे तोड़ देती है हर बार। ये है पहचान मोदी सरकार की।
Congress leader also said many people of the government and BJP had said that the railways were either providing free service or paying 85% of the fare. Home Minister Amit Shah himself has given a statement that 85% of the railway fare was being paid by the railway department and 15% has been borne by the states. According to Singhvi, the Railway Minister and the Attorney General said in the Supreme Court that 100% fare of labour trains was paid by the respective states. He alleged repeated propaganda and false facts by the government and BJP. In the case of woman's death at Muzaffarpur station, her family rejected the claim made by the government that she was already ill. Congress has also said that more than 40% of the Shramik special trains ran late by more than 8 hours. Many of these trains also reached wrong destinations. The NHRC has also issued notices to the government and railways for the mismanagement of the migrant trains.